What's up, internet? So it's been a long time since I made a video. A bunch of stuff has been happening. It's been a really hard past couple weeks. Lost a good friend of mine, so that's been really tough. So all the music that I play in the videos from now on is going to be his music, so the link will be in the description. I don't know if you've noticed or been keeping up with the weather in Colorado, but it sucks. It's been really cold. Well, it goes on and off. Yesterday was really nice, like 60 degrees, and now it's like 12 degrees. I've been trying to get some work done on the Datsun because we got all moved into our new studio. I took some of the parts I took out of the truck and brought them to the studio, and I've been stripping them, sanding them, painting them, sanding them, repeat, you know how it goes. I didn't film a lot of it because I didn't want to bore everyone with a bunch of time-lapses of me sanding the dashboard, but I made one of them. I will put that now. Other than that, just trying to chip away at the interior of the truck because I have to wait till it gets a little warmer out. Been trying to figure out a couple things here and there on the van. Most recently, one of the windshield sprayers doesn't work. I don't know if it's just cold and it's like clogged with something or what, but gotta see if I can fix that or find a new one. Alright, I'm out here trying to fix my driver's side windshield washer sprayer. So I took out the washer reservoir, and here's the line for it, and then here's the glove compartment. It's held on with like this shelf with a couple screws, so I'll take that out right now. Yeah, that's how it works, right? So got to get up in here, and here's back there you can see the lines with like a splitter, and I'm going to clamp the passenger side one to get some pressure to the driver's side one, see if I can't like spray it out, see if there's a clog in there. Alright, hopefully this makes enough pressure to get some air out of the driver's side. So, see if I can do this. I don't know if I have enough hands for it, but I can put it. So, trying to do this with two hands, one hand holding the camera and everything. So, alright, doesn't seem like that little clamp will have to do, so I have to get some vice grips. Alright, hopefully this pinches it off a little bit better to get some more pressure to see if we can't blow out that driver's side line. Good cinematic angle. Alright, I don't know if that did the trick. Trying to troubleshoot this, I tried to pull out the driver's side sprayer, and it was just completely disconnected. So somehow it broke, and that's why it's not getting any fluid. So I guess we have to rip the whole dash apart and take out that line, which is, I don't think, a job I can do right now at work, but we'll get Alright, so it's the next day. I had to wait for some JB Weld to set up, so I just reattached the nozzle onto the sprayer, and then I'm going to put it back on the car. So in order to keep that tube from falling back into the hole that I worked so hard to get out, I have this binder clip that I taped onto the car. Kind of a funny fix, but this was able to keep this tube out of the hole, so now that I can reattach the sprayer to it. I tried to park in the sun to warm it up, but there's no sun. The binder clips off. I got a pair of needle nose Loctite, vice grips, whatever you want to call them, on there. So now I'm gonna put this on there, and then I think I'm gonna put a zip tie around it just to make sure that it doesn't pop off. All right, I got it back installed. The tape idea didn't work. The zip tie didn't work because the hole was too small, but I think it'll be fine. I might like drop a little bit of glue to make sure it doesn't shift, but I think it's getting pulled in just by the line being a little too short. So figured that it works. Awesome. Quick little fix.